Okay, Sarah, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Look, I plugged in my box. Here it is. You see it? It's plugged into the back of my computer. I haven't labeled it, so it's just called May 22nd, May 2022. Or maybe I labeled it that. I don't know. I plugged my card into the back of my computer, and here it is. So I'm going to double click on my card. There's all my folders I've created. But I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to go up to Finder. I'm going to hit File, New Folder. There it is, right here. I'm going to name it Unraveled Phoenix Shootout 2023. Something like that. All right, we'll call it that. So now I'm going to open my card. There's two folders. I double clicked on it. Okay, one sec, Kira. I open both of these. Here's two folders. It's not ever under this miscellaneous. It's under this first one. So I double click on this. And it's on the first one again. I double click on that. Now, I don't know if you have this problem. You can tell me later. Oh, it was one thing I was talking about this weekend, but it used to be that these things showed me little previews of the picture, but ever since I got my mirrorless, it doesn't show those anymore. So like we were saying, if this was like multiple water polo games, I wouldn't know where one water polo game started and another one stopped because I can't see this preview. But anyway, on this card, I know that everything on here was from Unraveled Phoenix Weekend. So I'm going to click one, then I'm going to hit Command A to highlight all of them, and then I'm going to drag them and drop them into that folder on my box. So it's going to take a while. It's going to copy all of these from my card onto there, and then I will show you in a different video how I would go from this folder on my box. I would open those up and then I would put them into Lightroom from there. Now really, once I'm done getting these off the card onto here, I really never go back to this card again. I keep it until I make sure I've edited everything if I'm delivering it to a client. But that's it. Then it's done. I'm done with the card. So that's it. That's that. So I'm going to let this upload, and then I'll make another one and show you how I get them into Lightroom. But we are also going to go over this in California, but I thought I would do a quick recording to show you this part. Okay, bye.